Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to quickly change your Facebook password using the mobile app. Whether you're concerned about security or just need an update, this simple process takes less than a minute. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on the three horizontal lines, hamburger menu, in the bottom right corner for iOS or top right for Android. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Scroll down to the Account section and tap on Password and Security. Step 5. You'll see Change Password near the top of the screen. Tap on it. Step 6. Enter your current password, then type your new password twice to confirm it. Make sure to create a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Step 7. Tap Update Password or Save Changes to complete the process. Facebook might ask you to re-enter your login information on other devices. And that's it. Your Facebook password has now been changed. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication, which you can find on the same password and security page. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.